The energy shock, inflation crisis and the stuttering post-pandemic recovery all hung over this year's SME Assembly in Prague, Europe's top event for small and medium-sized enterprises. Unsurprisingly, the main focus was how firms survive the current economic headwinds. Reining in cripplingly high gas prices for companies is a top priority for Brussels. It also wants to beef up the rules so small businesses get paid faster.
SMEs are suffering from the very high energy prices. They're suffering from inflation. That means we have to make sure that they get paid in time. That's why the Commission started the initiative on revising the Late Payment Directive. For the energy prices, we need a solution at European level. We need a mechanism that helps that the energy prices consistently go down all over Europe.
For now, EU governments remain at loggerheads over how to bring energy prices down. The Czech Republic, which holds the EU's 6-month rotating presidency, is trying to broker a deal. The country's trade minister has called for unity ahead of an extraordinary energy council set for mid-December.
We have to deliver once more again, because Mr. Putin is basically sitting in Kremlin and waiting when we fall. Please allow me to quote Winston Churchill, that united we stand and divided we fall. And this is extremely important to keep in mind for the forthcoming Extraordinary Council when we will discuss the next package of the measures.
Of course, the big hope here among policymakers is that Europe's current energy difficulties can be turned into an opportunity and help hasten the green transition.
To achieve that, innovative small firms like Devin will be crucial. The Czech-based company has developed a mobile hydrogen generator, a zero-emission alternative to standard models.
Currently, if you want a mobile source of energy which is off-grid, independent of the electrical grid, you need to use diesel or other fossil fuels. Now you can use hydrogen and have the production of electricity emission-free, without any CO2 emissions. The only emission is water.
The EU's Pandemic Recovery Fund requires member states to spend at least 37% of the money they receive on the green transition, a key goal that's been given greater urgency by the war in Ukraine. In addition to discussing the main challenges facing firms right now, the annual SME Assembly also rewards organisations that promote entrepreneurial talent. This year's Grand Jury IPA Prize went to a Belgium initiative called Love to be Free, which connects and represents freelancers.